because without him or him alone, this assignment that was given to you would not be completed. He's the only one not seen, but has done everything for us to be here today. Before us, this detailed report. I want to thank this commission, especially for a job that is well done. I use the word well done because there was every attempt to stop this process. There was an attempt in the courts. There was other, even if you don't want to tell us, threat that you were receiving in the course of this assignment. But the question is, why would one be threatening a commission except you know that you have done something wrong, that in the end, if the commission do their job very well, you might be having a problem. Without that, I don't think you need to worry about it. In this state, about a year ago, those people who know how to bomb courts, I've used the word before 2014, they were bombing courts, bombing everywhere. I wasn't part of it. It's the same people who know how to do their work. They are the same people who have started these activities. We had a reason to keep quiet at that time, not because we had any personal thing, but because we're all one, and we believe that whatever it is, after a while, that peace will return. But unfortunately, what is inside their blood, destruction, doesn't end. They had to take it further. Taking it further to local government councils. I wonder where somebody would spend so much money to build a structure in memory of your administration. Because everybody wants something that he will be remembered for. You, the same person or group of persons, will now go behind to destroy your legacies. Is it normal? We're not going to be part of any system that would encourage any destruction in this state. And for that reason, we had to inaugurate this commission, so that this commission should look into the cause, remote cause of this problem. And I believe that the recommendation of this commission, with the help of God and the support of everyone, we will make sure that we implement the recommendations. I would like everyone to hear me when I say this. I make bold to say it. I've never been and I will never be party to anything that will bring shame, disgrace, destruction to our dear state. It's our state. If it's well with us, it is well with everybody. As a matter of fact, why should I encourage destruction when I know that when you finish spoiling, you still need money to rebuild? I'm an accountant, I know the importance of how you can manage money. Rather than spoil, you use that money to do a new thing for the state. So I'm going to ensure that we put a stop to that level of violence, unreasonable violence. I call it unreasonable violence. that doesn't mean anything in politics. Politics is a business of interest. There is no permanent friend, no permanent enemy. Some persons who were not even in our support, today they are here following us because maybe the interest is the most important thing. Likewise tomorrow, if the interest changes, they will also go their different. So why burn down the house? So please, I want to thank this commission especially for taking time to do this detailed job. We are going to take it to the next stage. The report will be presented to the Executive Council, and we will surely come out with a white paper. And the white paper can assure you we are going to follow it to the end. Nobody is above the law. Nobody, including myself. So provided what we are doing within the confinement of the law, we will do it with the help of everyone. Let me thank you again. Assure you that you have done this one very well. Keep your doors open. Who knows? We might be calling you for other assignments, because I can see that this commission, this is your special panel. There are people that are ready to work.